Hello friends, one of the most common problems with the fan remote not working is a bad battery. How can you tell that? Press any of these buttons. You see that red light is only flickering. If it just flickers, it tells you that the battery is probably bad. I'll show you. I'm just replacing the bad battery with the new one here. And now you see the difference. When I press these buttons, look at how that red light comes up. It comes up so bright. Now that tells you the battery is new or the battery is good. So if the light is only flickering, it means the battery is bad and it's time to replace the battery. With this new battery, the remote should work and everything should be back working again. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, post a comment and I would be glad to respond.